Hello, this is Timothy on Sunlight Learning Zone. Today we want for do something when one of our brother Abdullah. Yes, Abdullah sent this. He sent this picture. He say want for know how for remove background from pictures. All right. So Abdullah, would they use your picture today because you send your picture to us and we get for use it for do a tutorial so that others go able for learn from this particular tutorial. All right. So I go give you different method where you get for use for do this process for go about this process, and I also go recommend the easiest one because this is a new age where we day, and everything we want for do everything very fast and very clean. Okay, so Adobe Photoshop uh 9 will get for use today, but in my next video I will also show you a software whereby you get for, it's just a click. Okay, you import your picture and it do the rest for you. You understand? You no need for like for begin for do a lot of touching and all of that. It do it automatic. Okay, so that is what I've been using because I don't need anything that will slow my work. All right, so today let's go. This now the Abdullah in picture. If you want for begin for edit, number one thing where you need for do you just need for like double click on this particular picture now. Yeah? Where you double click, you go see something we go pop up, something like this, but not this one. All right, I did it already, so not this one. Just click OK and you are good to go. So the next thing you need for do, you need for like for go here when the zoom in and click on the plus sign here, and all right, zoom it so that you will see clear. All right, and one thing about graphic is that we did deal with a lot of different pictures, and all of these pictures, some of them are blurry, some of them are not too clean. All right, so you have to know how you get for the go about them. There are a lot of tools where they now where would they use, okay, for do editing here, but we are just going to use one. Okay, so and the one that we are going to use is this one. All right, this is a polygonal lasso. All right, so this is the tools that you're going to use. All right, you can just click on this, right click and choose polygonal lasso tool. Okay, all right, if you watch this picture you go see say it blurry because when we don't zoom, and because this picture I think you snap on with your phone I believe, but if this picture now a camera, when a professional camera will use for snap this picture, you will get a good pixel. All right, but nevertheless we are going to do this, and you will see how to do it. The time we zoom this picture, you see your face is not clear, so sometimes it disturbs. Okay, because when you want to do some automatic you want for use some automatic tools, like something like this a magic wand. Okay, when you want to use it to do your work very fast, it no go allow you. Okay, so like something like this, you click here, you see there are, because this picture not too clean. All right, because of the quality of the picture, you can see if we delete, okay, you will see that we still have something here which is not right. We can adjust it, but we don't need it. We want for let our work be perfect, so that I will also do undo. All right, so one for do something that is very perfect. All right, so the one thing where you need for do, just take this, right click here and click on a polygonal lasso tool. Then I like for click at the you know by the side of this, then I take it like this, you dey click, all right. So you come here, come here. So you get for the go by the edge of the image, all right. Get for the go by the edge of the image, just like this, just like this, you know. So as we can see, it's not easy, you know, it's not easy, it's not easy, all right, because this picture it get a lot of thing we no really fine for you when you know, a graphic designer. So this is really get for really, you know, give you hard time, all right. So you know, you go to do a small small just like this. You go come to the edge of this one, you click, then you go highlight, then you click on delete, you know. So this is how to do it, all right. You can also do this one. Let me just do this. I not go do all of this. Yes, I not go do all of this because it will really take long, all right, for me to do it, all right. So as you can see, all right, I don't want to let the video long so that we can do another video on how for do it automatic, where you know get for like spend a lot of time when you they work, because some customers may be around, they want the work to be very fast, and you not just sit and be doing something like this, you know. So because of the picture, the kind of picture that you send, so that's why we are, you know. So here is it. So as you can see, let's go and you know, so this is it. So okay, this is it, and you can, you know, you can continue and continue and continue. But why I say I don't need for done this, you know, is that I want for do another video whereby, you know, you can just import, you know, and it will do it for you, you know, very fast, and you know, you download it and start working in just 3 seconds, all right. So this is it, all right. This is how to do it, all right. So you continue and continue and continue, you understand. Then there's other ways that you can do depending on the kind of picture or the image that you have, you know, because this kind of image have a lot of things where you know get able use this you know, magic wand tool, all right. If you be snap this picture, for example, in a studio whereby you get some kind of background, blue background, green background, we all over in a green background, you just need for click on here when this one magic wand tool, and you know, click some do something like this, all right, and delete. But if you do am now, you go see say if you delete now, you see say you go delete a lot of things where you go need, all right. And now you you know, your image, all right. So that's why, so a lot of tools they are for you know, remove background, these quick select tools, you can use them, you know. But for this particular picture, if you want for use Photoshop for do am, me I prefer for use this polygonal lasso tool, all right. So after what you done, then you go to save. When you don't do, you go to save as, you know. You can also export it, you know, as part to Illustrator, something like that. Then I want to give a bonus something very quick. So after what you don't do this thing, you know, there is, if you look at this, if you look at the edge, you understand, it gets some kind of you know, really nice. Okay, you can just, you know, do something. You can use this blur tool, okay. You can use it and choose the size. You can right click by the side like this and take any of these, but I really prefer something like this, okay. And so if you watch very close, you see it is smooth the edge. You see the edge they smooth. So after we don't use that tool, you know, you have to use it so that the edge goes smooth. A lot of, I don't see a lot of posters where they can do in free time. Many people can do in free time. Oh, sorry for the background. A day by the roadside, my shop day by the roadside. That's why you are hearing the sound. Okay, but if you look at this particular, a lot of people in free time, mostly, a lot of pictures that I can normally see, I see that they know they use this particular blur too. You understand? They just cut out, cut off the background, and they will just leave it like that. It's not good. It's not a good it's not a professional something. Okay, so you have to blur this edge, all right, so that when somebody see it, it will look perfect. All right, so I think I have to stop here so that this will not be long. It's already long already, so but I have to stop here. So this is how you are going to do it, Mr. Ablai. This is how you are going to remove background from your image, all right, or your photo. All right, so thank you very much for watching. This is Timothy on Sunlight Learning Zone. The next video, I will show you how you don't need to begin to click around the body of let's just say maybe you get a 2-3 people where stand, you need to do all of this. It get a lot of stress. Okay, in the next video, I go show you how you go just drag and drop. As you import your picture, the AI will automatically remove the background in 3 seconds. All right, then you export your picture and start doing your work. All right, thank you very much for watching. This is Timothy once again. Have a nice day.